So this is my review of the Grelife 36-inch tower fan. Overall, I am really liking this fan. It's surprisingly nice. Build quality is really nice. It's got a solid feel to it. It's made of plastic, but it's got this gray slash gunmetal looking finish. Really easy to assemble. Comes with an extra wide base, which really does help prevent it from rocking around. And it's pretty solid considering it's 36 inches. The variable speeds, timers, and sleep modes are really handy. I mean, the sleep mode itself, you can barely hear anything, and the digital display is really nice. Comes with a handy little remote, which works really well. The range is surprisingly well. And you can see there's a variety of options, from timers to the type of wind to how fast you want it. And you can slide the little remote into a little pocket right there to store it. And yeah, I've been using this every day now, and I don't have a single complaint. I'd have to say this is honestly better than my Sony fan that I have, which cost nearly $300. So hopefully this thing stands the test of time and will last me a little bit longer than my other fans. But yeah, I definitely recommend.
This fan is on. It's quite quiet. Probably about 36 inches tall. Very easy to run it. Touchscreen. Or in the back is the remote that you just pull out. But it's pretty quiet. Has different modes, different timers. You can have it in sleep, natural or normal. It's pretty nice.